Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Uramaki roll, Japanese inside-out sushi roll. You will need 400 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 3 nori seeds, half carrot, 1 cup of green leafy vegetables, 1 avocado, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Blend rice vinegar, salt, and sugar well to make sushi vinegar. Step 2. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gradually pour the sushi vinegar mixture over the rice while gently mixing it with the rice paddle. Step 3. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth while preparing the ingredients. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before using it for making sushi rolls. Step 4. Peel the carrot with a vegetable peeler to create thin strips. Step 5. Rinse the leafy vegetables and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Step 6. Slice the avocado into even 1 cm wide slices. Step 7. Place the bamboo sushi mat and nourish it. With a rice paddle or your hand, gently spread the sushi rice evenly over the nori sheet. Step 8. Spread the sesame seeds over the rice and place a sheet of plastic wrap on top. Step 9. Flip them over so that the rice is on the bottom and the nori is on top. Step 10. Arrange the leafy vegetables and carrot strips in the center of the rice. And spread mayonnaise on top. Place the avocado slices on top. Step 11. Use your middle finger to hold down the fillings and start rolling from the front until the end of the rice. Apply gentle pressure to shape the roll. Wet the knife with a damp cloth and cut the uramaki roll into equal pieces. I hope you will enjoy the delightful flavors of homemade uramaki rolls. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.